Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss different characters of living beings. Living beings means plants as well as animals, which include human beings also. So, there are different characters of living beings which separate them from the non-living things. So, let us try to find out that characters. Okay. So, there is a first is for you. Do living things need food? What do you think? Living thing need food? What do you think? The answer is yes. Yes, the answer is yes. All the living things need food, either plants or animals. Plants are the autotrophs. They make their food themselves through the process of photosynthesis. Yes. And animals depend on the plants directly or indirectly for food. So all living things need food. Do the non-living things need food? Yes, the answer is no, because non-living things do not need food. Now the next character, do all living things show growth? So what do you think? All living things show growth? Yes, all living things show growth. A small baby, it will just grow us up and into an adult one. A small plant, it will grow us up into the a big tree. Okay, so everyone, a small puppy grows up into an dog. Okay, so different living beings show the growth. Now the next one, do all living things respire? So what do you think? All living things respire? The answer is yes. Plants as well as animals respire. Respiration means breathing as well as release of energy by breaking down of the food. So, which gas we will inhale during the process of respiration? Yes, it is your oxygen. And which gas we will exhale? Yes, that is your carbon dioxide. So, these two gases are must. Oxygen we inhale during the process of breathing, and carbon dioxide which we exhale during the process of breathing. So, what do you think? Plants also do the process of respiration? No doubt the answer is yes, and the same during the process of respiration they inhale oxygen gas and they exhale carbon dioxide gas, and this carbon dioxide gas is further absorbed by the plants for the process of yes, photosynthesis, for the process of photosynthesis to prepare the food. Okay, now the next one is for you. Do all living things respond to stimuli? Stimuli means reaction of any sudden action. Okay, for example, if there is any rat is there and you will just flash a light, naturally it will move, it will run away. So that is the response to stimuli. So what do you think? Animals and plants show the response? No doubt the answer is yes. All living things show the response to stimuli. Okay, if there any bird is sitting and you will move, you can say just move and nearby, then he will fly. So naturally that is there. Now if we will talking about the plants, what do you think? Plants also responds to stimuli? Answer is yes. Had you seen the touch me not plant? Touch me not plant, if you will touch the leaves of the touch me not plant, they will just shrink because they know, they feel your touching. In the same way, sunflower. Sunflower always faces towards the sun. So that are the example to show that all living things responds to stimuli. Now the next one, do all living things reproduce? So what do you think? All living things reproduce? Reproduction means to produce young ones of their own kind, or you can say to produce offsprings of their own kind. So no doubt the answer is yes. Plants also reproduce with the help of the seeds, with the help of the stem, with the help of the roots, with the help of the leaves. It depends on, it varies from plant to plant. And animals also reproduce by laying eggs or by giving birth to the young ones. So, reproduction is one of the main character of living beings. Now, the next one, do all living things move? So, what is the answer? Naturally, the answer is yes. You can say animals can move from one place to another. Human beings can move from one place to another. But this character is applicable to plants? You will say no, but. The answer is yes, because plants cannot move from one place to another. They remain fixed into the soil, but they show the movement in the form of their growth. They show the movement when the wind blows. So we can say that the plants also shows the movement. Now, can you tell me a car can move? So a car is also a living being? No. Okay, no doubt the car can move, but rest of the characters is not shown by the car. So car is a non-living thing. Now the next one for you. Do all living things excrete? Excrete means removal of waste product from body. So no doubt the answer is yes. Yes, the all living things excrete. Do you know animals are there, human beings are there. We will just release the excretory products, release the waste product from our body, solid waste as well as liquid waste. But what's about plants? Do they also excrete? Yes, the answer is yes. Plants secrete. They just remove the waste from their body into the form of secretions. And some of the plants can store the excretory products in their body. It will not harm them. So these are the different characters of the living thing. Like they need food. All living things show growth. All living things do the process of respiration. All living things show the response to the stimuli. All living things do the process of reproduction. All living things can move from one place to another, or they are able to show the movement, and all living things do the process of excretion.